Good morning, Subah Wanaagsan. I'm gonna be making a what do I eat in a day video today. Starting with what I have in the morning. Maanta maxaa sameynaa? I'm gonna say it in Somali now. Maanta maxaa sameynaa video oo ku tusinaa waxaa cuno. Maalinta dhan waxaa cuno iyo subaxdii waxaa cabo. Subax kasta maxaa cabaa 2 koob oo biyo. Kabacdi maxaa cabaa shaah mase qaxwo. Then I drink my tea or a coffee, whatever I'm feeling that day. But this morning we're having 2 glasses of water and some coffee because we're about to go shopping and we need that energy. هذا maxaa aadana suuqa, maxaa soo iibsanaynaa khudaar. Let's go shopping. I've got my watermelon and I'm happy.
You have yours.
Opra.
I didn't know you were recording.
I feel like we need to hold her so she doesn't eat with us. Opra.
Oprah's had a breakfast. She's always a hungry cat.
I'm having 2 eggs with underneath the egg is hummus and avocado, tomatoes and mushrooms. And for Han,
Same thing, with a little bit of toast. Sometimes I just realize how blessed I am. Thank you, simply SHUKRIA.
we have on Han's plate we have 2 slices of toast, 2 eggs, hummus, avocado on toast, and we have mushrooms and tomatoes. So a little bit more packed, so bigger plate. If you're bulking up, this is perfect for bulking up.
Is it? This is my favorite restaurant, guys. My favorite cafe. I come here when I'm hungry.
And this is for me, smaller plate, and I have 2 eggs, hummus, no bread, avocado, tomato and mushroom, so less carbs for me.
And for Oprah, we have
For Opra, I don't know what. Hi Opra, can you just stay there? Yeah,
a little bit of egg.
stay there. And some sriracha for your eggs. Opra, there's gonna be chili in here. I don't think you're gonna want to eat it.
This is my favorite part of the morning.
Oh my god.
How's yours, Shuks?
It's really good. I like it. Robust tea.
So, I don't think that there is any other mug in the world that can describe Shukri as much as this one right here.
I love it.
And Opra alive, that's the other part.
We're gonna add Oprah's
Keeping
name.
myself, my plants, and Opra alive. She's turning this place into a bit of a jungle, as you can see.
It's Oprah is the cutest kid in the world.
That part.
We'll come back for lunch.
What time do you open for lunch?
This is a restaurant.
Alright, I'll be back for lunch. Compliments to the chef. Back to our favorite cafe. It's called Simply Delicious by Simply SHUKRIA.
Alright.
You like it?
Yeah, I love it. I haven't tried it yet. Oh my god, I'm just so hungry. And Oprah's here.
Oprah's hungry.
This is, so we have tofu, broccoli, black bean sauce with red rice and some fresh carrots and cucumber
And sriracha.
Where's the sauce? We need some chili sauce
And some fresh chili.
Let's try it without the chili first and then we'll see if we need chili.
Sounds good to me. I like it. It's not too, what's the word? Overly flavored.
Yeah. I think this is my first time having red rice. Do you like the red rice? It's quite nice.
I'm about to tell you.
Well, I haven't tried it yet.
It tastes very earthy.
It's a wholesome
That's
meal.
my definition of it.
Yum. It's really good. Sriracha.
On the healthy vibe.
Oh shit.
Now you got to be careful with the sriracha, guys, because sometimes when you squeeze that sriracha out and you just leave it there, what happens? It just pops, it just explodes out of the blue, and you end up with sriracha all on your clothes and on your face.
Are you trying to rhyme?
Nope.
Untadan sila
Untatan maan ka.
Untade?
Untatan.
Untade?
Untatan.
Untadan yakri.
tika ma'an.
How do you memorize all these words? You're very good.
Memorize?
Mm-hmm.
Memorize kulaha. You think I don't know how to say these words? Maalin.
Bahima kohese.
Ah, bahita ihese.
So for dinner we're having cauliflower.
And Opra.
And Opra is coming in. Opra.
We're having cauliflower and kitten.
We're having wings made out of cauliflower with sweet potato. So barbecued cauliflower wings and sweet potatoes made in the oven.
Mmm. Wow.
So good.
Surprisingly. I mean, not saying that I didn't expect it to taste good, but this is good. Like, this is good.
We'll just put some.
You notice that breakfast was just on another level. This is good. Breakfast number 1, lunch number 2, dinner number 3. That's my ranking. You?
So breakfast, this, and a lunch.
Breakfast, lunch, this.
You like all of them?
I like all
In
of
that
them.
order?
I said that. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Yeah. That order.
Alright, well, we're gonna finish the rest of this. I like this one the most.
Do you?
The
Okay.
breakfast was amazing.
I like the sauce.
So good.
Which do you like? Which are you going to put together in the kitchen and put in your belly?
Alright, we're gonna finish the rest of this and
We're going to say it together.
we'll
We'll see you guys in the next video. Masalama.
So good and crunchy. Oh.
Say bye, Opra. Say bye. It was animal abuse.
Leave her alone.